Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm just going to do a quick review for this keyboard right here on the table. This is the MK84 by Eweadn. As you can see, Eweadn MK84. They sent this item for me as a gift, but I would love to review this one because this is my first low profile keyboard here on the table. And this is very compact. When I say very compact, I'm going to grab my 60% keyboard. Here is my 60% keyboard, and when I'm going to compare this to, look at that. That's how compact this is. And I love it because I have a very small table. I need to get all the spaces I need for gaming and for capturing, unboxing videos and reviews. So this is a perfect keyboard for me. Well, I'm not going to use this one for gaming, but mainly for typing, for office work. And this one is wireless, wired and wireless. You can see there's like on and off there, and I was looking for the 2.4 gigahertz dongle, and then I see this one popping up, and then it's color blue. This one is the dongle, so I just have to put this on my computer, and then I'm ready to go. So let's just quickly take a look of this keyboard. What good thing I like, because I looked on their shop for the keyboards that they offer, as long as it has feet, because I would love to have my keyboard slightly raised, or maybe raised, because I'm not able to reach some of the keys. But I'm definitely going to use this for office works. So as you can see, it has two right there and right there, and it's a pretty plain and simple keyboard. It's a very low profile keyboard, as you can see. And of course, we're going to take a look at what switch they use here. So let's quickly open this one. I'm not so sure if this one is hot swappable, but I'm going to take a look at that on their website. I'm not going to try and rip that off, but I bet it's not. This is a brown switch, and you can get a red and blue switch, but I prefer the brown switch. And good thing they actually gave me the brown switch, because I don't have any brown mechanical switches as of the moment. I haven't tried any of that. And the keycaps, oh, I didn't show the keycaps. The keycaps are pretty thick. See the thickness on that? And see-through. I think it's see-through. Like you can see the lights on there, but we're going to try that and test that out soon. And yeah, that's basically it. And what's inside the box? The box isn't pretty in good shape, but I don't care as long as the keyboard works. I'm going to try the keyboard, of course. This is the plastic, and then you have the manual, the paperworks, all in Chinese. Oh, there's an English. I think there's an English language in there somewhere. Right there. Low axis mechanical keyboard. A cheap one, but pretty good. I think that's just a standard cable, not that cheap. That's all you get inside the box. A very, very simple unboxing. And by the way, the company that sent me this item is the one who sent me this two mouses, I don't know. Eweadn, they're both Eweadn, and I really love both. I'm using both in any occasions, because this one is pretty smaller and lighter compared to this, but this one is for competitive. And I still have its adapter. I don't know. I think this is an adapter, 8K adapter. It doesn't have any 2.4 gigahertz dongle available, but yeah, more of that on my other video. But this is the keyboard itself, and let's hear how it sounds like if we're going to try and type in. And also, I'm just going to use this one, I think most of the time when I'm typing, when I really love to type. But I'm not going to use this for gaming, of course. I might use it if, I'm too lazy to switch keyboards. But I think I will use this pretty much. I might change the keycaps. But all in all, I liked it. It slides on the table, so it's not gripping that much. I think that's a problem. That's the problem here. First problem is it's not that grippy, because I'm not so sure if this two bottom foam pads are touching my mat here table. It just slides. That's not good, but I don't care. I'm just going to type in like this. And yeah, let's try to type. Let's try this keyboard and how it looks like. Alright, I'm just going to let you guys hear how it sounds like. Um, and I'm going to show you guys on the typing, on how it sounds like when typing. For you to be able to use this, you have to press the FN plus 5 because that's wire mode, and then FN plus 4 for wireless, and then Bluetooth are those three, and you have to turn on the here you have the toggle turn on. So that's how it works. I'm just going to close maybe the lights so that you can see how it looks like. I'm not so sure if you can change the lightings here. Maybe you can. Let me try. I'm just going to quickly. Okay, so FN. So it's just a white light. It's just a white light, and there's like different arrangements of light. It's just all white, and the you can see the letters right there, which is good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And now let's check, or let's hear how it sounds like when we're going to type. How it feels is good. I think the keycaps are a little bit slippery. What do you call this? They don't have a texture. It's like slippery type of keycaps. There's no texture to it, but I like it. I like it. I love it. How I type, it's very smooth. It's not, it's not hard to type. And this one is wireless, so that's a good thing because I would love to have all things wireless. It's not messy on my table. But yeah, that's how it looks like. And the sound, it's not that good, yes, but that's given because it's a low profile keyboard and also not that expensive. So this one is on the cheap side of keyboard. But yeah, I liked it. It looks so good. It looks premium actually. There's like this silver accent, and then there you go. It looks very expensive, but it's not. But what are the things that I would love to change on this keyboard is the feet. It should have a very strong feet because it's just slides on my table. I'm not so sure if it's on a different table, but this one slides. All in all, it's good because you can use it for wireless, and it's just the keycaps and the foams, and everything should work amazing. I like this keyboard. I'm going to use this one for typing or for doing office works, but not for gaming. But I might try if I'm really, lazy to change my keyboard. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you, Eweadn, for sending me this gift. More power to your company. Let's go.